or the splash pad. Splash pad. It's had a B. So had a B go to name right here or something. Everybody, we're here at SeaWorld San Antonio for the opening of the Rescue Jr area. They have several new rides, a new splash pad area, like the roller coaster. I don't think they have this swing open just yet. They're doing they're doing some testing on it still. But everything else seems to be open, running, and we're gonna go check it out. And this is where they used to have, it was just like a big pit. Basically. So it looks like they filled it in.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Welcome to our newest attraction, Rescue Jr, a new play area designed to inspire the next generation of conservationists and animal advocates. Now, in just a few minutes, you will be the first to experience this newly imagined area, which includes Seabird Swing, Tide Pool Tumbler, Ocean Quest Express Train, Ocean Rescue Carousel, a new splash pad for guests to cool down on, and today we're gonna need that, right? It's kind of warm out here. And behind me, our newest roller coaster, Beach Rescue Racer. Look at that thing. Back and better than ever are our beloved SeaWorld friends. Now, many of you parents and my age grew up with these characters, and now you're back introducing your children to them. So be on the lookout for Puck the Penguin, Flip the Sea Lion, Sydney Shark, Coral the Dolphin, and of course, everyone's favorite orca whale, Shamu! Since Rescue Jr is a kids' play area, we invited kids from our local community to come out here and help us with today's festivities. Let's hear it for our young rescuers right here. Thank you and your parents for being here. The wait is over. We are rescue ready, and it's time to officially open Rescue Jr. We're gonna do a countdown here in just a second. Never run with scissors, kids. Help me out, friends. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rescue Jr is now open!
Let's go.
So we just rode this new ride within Rescue Jr. But yeah, what did you think?
It was great. I got 2 rides in. Carol got 2 rides in.
Yeah.
The first ride, she rode with one of her friends from Loops and Splashdowns.
Yeah.
But the first ride, I was second to last cart, and my knees were right against the bar because they're using the old kid train from Grover's Boxcar.
Grover's Boxcar Derby.
And then we got a front row ride, which was great. If you're tall like me, I'm about 6'1", 6'2", it provides much more room. You could stick your legs into kind of like I guess where the engine would go, I guess you would say. You could stick your legs in there.
If it were an actual car.
Yes. So, but it's a fun ride. It looks intimidating. When you're going up, you could see the top of the arch of SeaWorld, kind of the archway that you walk through.
Yeah, it was surprising how far you could see and how much you could see from the top. I would not call this a kiddie ride.
Oh no, it's more of a family ride.
It is a family ride. It's got some thrills. It's got some G-forces there, which is really exciting. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's perfect.
People are enjoying it right now.
It's perfect for those who are scared of roller coasters, but they want to maybe give it a try. It does not go upside down.
No. That's a good thing.
But yeah, I don't know if you can hear the screams, but it's still very thrilling and a really fun time.
Yeah, it looks like it's a big drop, but really it's kind of... But it looks like it's a big drop, but really it's kind of more of a curved, like slope down.
Yeah.
It is faster than it looks.
Yeah, it was a lot faster than I thought it would be. It was some whipping action I wasn't expecting, but I love high thrills, so it was really enjoyable for me. But even if you don't love super thrilling things, it's not too thrilling. So.
Yeah. I would say the only drawback is the size of the carts that you sit in.
For the size of the seats, it's mostly meant for kids. I think, it's in the kid area, Rescue Junior area. So, larger people might have a hard time fitting in. Tall people might have a hard time fitting in. But like Randall said, if you want to have more leg room, definitely sit in the front row. Other than that, it was a great time.
Oh yeah, great ride. Even if you don't have kids and you can, I would say at least give it one ride.
Yeah.
So I thought the splash pad area was open, but it looks like it's still closed for now. But it does look very nice. Like kids are gonna have a lot of fun getting splashed around in here.
Proud for the new beach rescue racer ride.
I know. Glad we got our ride in already.
We found out that that's the name of the ride.
I just noticed this. I'm not sure if this has always been here, but they have a new guest services area. It's either been here, I just never noticed, or it's brand new. Also, a nice little merchandise area on the other side. That's good to know. So it's not open just yet. They're still doing some testing on it, but this is the nice little train that they will have here at SeaWorld San Antonio. So we'll bring it around again. Oh, I just noticed they have a little octopus in there. Little sea creatures. Oh, here comes the train. So the train is actually up and running. I guess they were just doing some tests early on before opening it up.
They've kept the Sesame Street. You can even see Big Bird still has his footprints. I'm not sure if they are planning on keeping that, but I kind of like it. A little homage to the past.
Of the Extravaganzabration 3000. Can you all help me get this party started? I know we can do better than that. I said, are you ready? All right, then let's all unite as one and bring the beat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, cadets, y'all ready? One beat. together for flip. Coral. Puck. Sydney. And last but not least, the big man himself, Sharon. What's up, buddy? Rescue the animals today. Oh, wow, that's really exciting.
Also wanted to come just check out the t-shirts here at Currents. Now, I'm assuming these are new. Last time, I don't remember seeing these like last year, but we saw these the last time we came, and so just wanted to come and check them out. Ooh. Some of these have very nice designs. Chiller Whale. Carol is wearing one right now.
Not the chiller whale.
No, the SeaWorld one. One of the new designs. Fluent in Sharkism.
What does that say? I'm fluent in sarcasm. Nice.
That's the one
I
you're
got
wearing.
one of a hammerhead shark and it says, "Nailed it."
Like, look at this spray on looking one. Yeah.
Beach vibes.
And then actually I kind of like this one, the octopus SeaWorld.
And they're good material. It's like they're not super hard like a lot of shirts are.
Or super rough, yeah.
Yeah.
And then a classic Shamu with waves in the background. Got some ducks just swimming over here. And we got some ducks just chilling over here. You see these ducks over here?
Oh my goodness.
We got people going down a coaster. So that's the new Rescue Jr area at SeaWorld San Antonio. Very fun. Some of the rides still not going. They're still testing them out. But the major ride that they have going, the roller coaster, very fun. It's very, very good looking actually when you just come walk, when you're first entering the park.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Thank you all for watching. And don't forget to hydrate. And Carol, can you take us out?
Hydrate. Snap.
It's Carol.
It's open!